The Internet of Things is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology and the world around us. IoT is the connection of physical objects with sensors and software to exchange data over the Internet or other communication networks. Sensors collect data from physical objects and send it to a central system for processing and analysis. IoT is changing the way we interact with our homes, from smart thermostats to security systems. IoT is changing the way we live, from smart cities to wearable technology. IoT is transforming industries, from healthcare to transportation. Now we will discuss over IoT tools and technologies. Join us as we explore the hardware and software components that make up IoT systems. Smart devices are the cornerstone of IoT systems. They are equipped with sensors and software that enable them to communicate with other devices and the Internet. IoT hardware components include sensors, microcontrollers, and communication modules. These components work together to collect data, process it, and transmit it to other devices or the cloud. IoT software components include operating systems, cloud platforms, and analytics tools. These components enable devices to communicate with each other and the cloud, and provide insights into the data collected by IoT systems. IoT applications are diverse and can be found in various industries such as healthcare, transportation, and smart cities. They enable businesses and individuals to make data-driven decisions and improve efficiency. IoT systems face challenges such as security, interoperability, and scalability. However, they also present opportunities for innovation and growth in various industries. Please subscribe to our channel for videos.